Alright, that's it for whatever state park we're in now.
I haven't done the Sherman, so you already said what it was.
Well, now we're actually pulling out. I'll just snake over this way. Nothing to it. KOA, Mexico. This one?
KOA, New Mexico.
Oh, New Mexico. Mexico, I can't tell. I don't know the difference. New Mexico and Mexico. I ain't figured it out yet.
Oh, it's a dog park. The dog park! And there's big
Of sand.
Of sand.
They got old culverts and painted. And they got
Old tires.
tires, and I don't know what that other thing is.
Alright, stop.
I'm just
A
gonna stop
ginormous
over here.
rim?
Yeah, that's not a rim though. Looks like a big piece of cast iron. Aji, we're going to ride the tram. How you feel about the situation? She's kind of nervous. She's a little nervous. We gotta go up top there.
A bunch of things. Oh, cactus! My BFF.
Small car only. See that? Small car only. That's why I parked down there.
We are small. We have small.
Oh, there's the tram coming down.
Oh, that is a lot, really big.
It's a lot bigger than you think it is. That mountain's a lot bigger than you think it is.
Okay, folks, watch your toes.
Yeah.
And watch your step.
Yeah, I love Jody's Steve. Like 15. Yeah, Jody's Steve. Yeah. Sasha and Abraham. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I have.
Well, how is everyone this afternoon? Very good. My name's Grant. I'll be your cabin operator for the run-up. The run will take 15 minutes to complete. We're leaving a base elevation of 6,559 feet and rising approximately 4,000 vertical feet to an upper elevation of 10,378 feet. Sandia Peak Aerial Tramway is the longest in North America at 2.7 miles long. We also boast of the third longest portion of free span cable in the world at 1.5 miles of free span located between our Tower 2 and the upper terminal. During our run up to the top of the mountain, we'll be passing through 4 of the 7 known ecological zones that our Earth has to offer us. First of all, down here at the base terminal is what we call the Upper Sonoran, or High Desert Ecological Zone. From there, we'll cross through the Transitional Life Zone, then the Canadian, and finally the Hudsonian Subalpine at the top of the mountain range. 25 mile an hour out of the west, so hang on to your hats or any loose clothing. I would like to point out the building that we are approaching at this time is called our Upper Terminal Building. It'll give a little more information on the mountain, the wildlife, and the terrain of the region. Directly to your left and down the boardwalk is the 10-3 restaurant and fine dining. That building right there, that's correct.
All right, that's where we came from. Way down there on the other side of that rock. You made it. You guys made it. Mountain and Mama's wearing sandals. We're gonna go hiking in sandals. See if we can go skiing. Not really, it's not gonna happen, but no snow. I want to know if it actually does work or not, or if they actually ski up here. Well, it's only November though, and that's why they're on the north side. Well, they're on the, this would be the east side of the mountain. So they only ski the east side. Old school 2-man chairlift. That's cool.
Those are weird chairlifts.
We're here. Go catch Mom in her hiking shoes. Hey, look, it's Rob's Run. Rob's Run. Ooh, it looks fun. We should go skiing. Only if there was snow. You said it when we got in the truck. I should probably not be wearing sandals. Oh, let's go over here. There's a fence. That means we need to get close to it. Oh, look at this view. I know this camera is not going to do this justice at all.
Whoa. Can we go down now?
No. There's the rock face there. That's cool. Uh-oh, they found a hole in the fence. How'd they find a hole in the fence? I'm in the wrong spot. Look it. Caution. Cliff.
Okay.
Caution. People can read.
I hear water.
You don't hear water. What do you think, girls?
Scary.
Scary? It's cool.
Cliff. Can't go by.
It's about 50 degrees up here. About 75 degrees down at the base. Came up 4,000 feet. No, 6,000 feet, I think they said.
It's not down there. It's up here.
Oh, a selfie stick?
The headphone things.
It's right there, on the bottom. Or
That's
top.
not big enough.
Oh, no, that's the speaker.
That's what I used to
Another
know.
speaker.
Oh,
Isn't it right there?
no.
Down. That's
This doesn't have it.
Oh, it won't work for that.
what? How does that work?
Still use it and make it reach out and press.
Me and Maddie can play snowboarding.
Well, that's off the edge. I'm gonna lay on the edge. Oh, well, we're at 10,000. Almost fell off the chair. The rock. We're at 10,000.
Already.
400 feet. And me and Audrey just ran a long ways. She's dying. Look at her. Look at her.
I got it.
Hey,
No.
don't bounce around.
Sit down. Do you want to roll right down that hill?
The girls are playing rock tic-tac-toe on the top of a mountain
We're carving.
with a rock. Yeah, obviously. All right.
Where did
Go.
you just put the what? I just put nose here. Okay. Bill, I can't see. Well, my X is there, you have O there, I have O there. And you have O there, I have X there.
Kind of tricky game, huh?
You have an X there. So. Wait, so you have a O.
So who won?
No one. We're not. We're in the middle of the game. We're over. It's over.
It's over. Why? Who won?
No one. It was a tie.
Well, you guys are good at tic-tac-toe. And they got 10-3 restaurant up here. There it is. And we are going back down. Let me see. Well, that's gonna be a good picture. Oh, that's straight down. Oh, there it comes. So we just came from way up there. Come on, Mio. Up, 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 up. Yeah, that sunset was nice. I just took a picture of it, or I just got a video of it. Looks nice.